Hey everyone, this is Lena Jácome. Thank you for joining me today. I'd like to talk about makeup. I love talking about makeup. So let's go ahead and get started. So I have begun using a Younique product that is, I really like it. And it's the lip gloss that I'm wearing. This is Younique. And this is the gloss that I'm wearing, and it's legendary. The box it came out of, it says lucrative, if you can see that. And so I really like it. This is a great lip gloss that you can wear every day. And I would even use it on the stage. I just think it's soft, but strong enough to where you're on stage, you can it projects as well. So it's beautiful. And then I also have this from Younique, which is Moonstruck Addiction. And it has the number 6 on it also. It's a shadow palette. Let me show you these colors. I love browns. Like, I just love browns, reds. I love it. And my favorite are the shimmery ones. So I'm wearing Lofty, which is this gold color right here. And I just love it. And I love mixing it with these, all these other options. So this is amazing and I like it. I recommend it. And what I like about Younique also is that they donate to, they have a program for battered women, and they contribute some of their funds to this organization for battered women. So I love that. I love that. So my sister-in-law sells this, and I'm going to put her link in the description, and I highly recommend it. Check out the company and take a look at their other products. Thanks for joining me. I wish you an awesome day, and I'll see you again soon.